what happened? Bakit as is, status quo? What do you think happened? Ang ugong over the weekend.
First, only to God's grace. Okay, so the 2 weeks na binubuo ito and they were asking me, na-expect na yung ibang pressure.
Okay.
Pero I have to admit, grabe yung pressure. And to all of you, lalo sa mga mahal namin sa media, read between the lines. Read between the lines. Any pressure, negative or positive, please read between the lines.
What pressure?
Pressure na kumalas.
Who called? Who?
Alam naman
Who
ng lahat.
lobbied?
Alam naman ng lahat. So, ang aking inuulit na message, we're here to collaborate. So, interdependence with the judiciary and the executive. Wala namang problema sa judiciary, but with the executive, we want to collaborate. Ano yung, especially because of the crisis, gugutom na talaga mga tao talagang nawawalan na ng trabaho. I don't blame them for trying, but mas marami nasasaktan habang tinatry. Tapos yun nga, katulad ng NBI, kagabi lumabas, may ano talaga, gunpowder. So nagsisinungaling talaga sa presidente. So there's a lot of lies, misdeception, miscommunication ongoing.
Okay.
But yung members namin, we say we'll hold together. Manipis talaga, kaya grabe yung pang-intriga, grabe yung pakiusapan. May attempt kanina dun sa committees. Having said that, we're all professionals and I don't blame the minority. Nung nasa minority kami, gusto rin namin maging majority. Diba? So ang tinutulay ko is that basta dun lang tayo sa tama pare-pareho, we're willing to work with you. Pero yung hahawakan nyo kami sa liig or magdidikta, especially kung papunta tayo sa changing the constitution, medyo malabo kami sumama.
How does that feel like? Parang you're walking on eggs, ganun ba yun? Very thin line, it's what, 13, 11?
Yeah, pero
and then
alam mo,
yung dalawang
the last time I felt like
abstain,
this
yeah?
was during the time ng Hello Garcia. Kasi it's just so pure. I mean, I'm not saying lahat ng decision ko ay tama. I'm as imperfect as anyone else. But it's a walk of faith. It's just, Lord, kung ilalagay mo ako dyan, lagay mo, biglang nilagay. Lord, kung tatanggalin mo ako, tanggalin mo na ako. So, I just have to make sure that every day is a day I really use to the optimum. Gamitin ko talaga yung kapangyarihan na binigay sa akin ng Senate President to do good. Diba? So, yun ang mimitingin namin ngayon. What is the 3 to 7 bills that can address the crisis? So ano yung presyo, trabaho kita, or sa energy, presyo ng kuryente, or sa agriculture, maliit man ang epekto or malaki na we can